indicator of the Asian range, right? So what does the Asian range do? So the Asian range, we're just going to be going over this very quickly. The Asian range builds liquidity. This is the ICT accumulation. So the ICT accumulation, very, very simply, its main job is to build liquidity. So we want to be focusing on the Asian range high and the Asian range low. So when we use this in conjunction with the power of 3, what we're understanding, right? What we need to understand as traders is that the market will move down before it goes up. And we use this in line with the Asian range. So what that means is when you have an Asian range, the market will very, 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 very often sweep the Asian range low before it heads higher. This here takes out the Asian low. So the Asian low is what's taken out over here. And we look for the low of the day below this Asian range. So this low of the day will correspond to this daily wick. In order to understand the daily wick, you just want to understand that price action will often sweep the Asian low before ultimately heading higher. That is the main thing I want traders to understand. So these aren't really fancy indicators that are going to tell you what to do. They're simply tools that you can use to your advantage. That's all it is. So the Asian range will typically tell you where you want to be buying and selling and when you want to be buying and selling. And the main trick to understand with the Asian range is you want to be selling after price has taken out the Asian range low. Now, with this being said, let's just dive into the strategy and see what we get. So if I just get rid of the power of 3 indicator, I, in this particular session, was looking for an inefficiency or an imbalance, right? So I'm looking for some kind of fair value gap over here, right? So if we continue, if we just kind of draw price back, I'm looking for some kind of a level on the 15-minute chart, right? The 15-minute chart is the golden time frame I use. It is the most important time frame. So if I continue to play price on and see what we had in New York session, right? New York session gave us this level, right? So this is my key level. Market open 9:30 Eastern or 2:30 p.m. UK time. This was essentially my level, right? So we had a level over here. So this is basically